Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my
All right, y'all, we done made it to the destination. We're gonna hop out, pop out, get these photos rocking. Let's check it out. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Nice little spot. My man Jay's garage and found.
What's up, YouTube?
If y'all didn't know, now you know. Man here. We came to do a photo shoot, but we was talking about doing like the video interview, whatever, you know, it's telling him telling us the story behind his build and everything. So I'm gonna hand it over to Mr. Jay's garage.
Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Jay's Garage here with my boy LSCR254. Go sub to him, man. Real cool dude. So starting off, this is my build. 2013 Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. Love this truck. I got it when I was around 18. It was a gift from my mom. And right now, as it sits, we got a 5.7 IHC lowering kit. Shout out to IAC suspension. 22-inch OE replica wheels. 285 40 22 in the front and 305 40 22 in the back. We got the black headlights. I just bought these off of eBay. Y'all can go get them off of there. And then I did the grill insert swap. Smoked the tail lights, and then a true dual exhaust with an X pipe. But I mean, that somewhat wraps it up. Out in a nutshell, you know, nothing too crazy. Still daily. I don't want to go like full blown race truck. You know, just something low, clean. You know, sound good.
Right.
Nothing too crazy. Yeah, man. If y'all haven't already, sub to LS Chevy Rider 254. Leave a like, comment, subscribe on his videos. And then if y'all want to check out what I got going on my channel, Jay's Garage, J'_Z Garage.
I'll put it at the screen somewhere down here.
All right. But yeah, man.
You on Instagram too, right?
Yeah, Instagram. Y'all can hit me up at CTX_J, CTX_JAY. Follow me on there. Yeah, man. Pretty much wraps it up for my build. But like I said, if y'all want to check out what I got going on my channel, y'all go sub over there. Sub to LS, real cool dude. Glad I got a chance to meet him, you know, start networking and all that stuff with him.
Already, yes, sir. Yeah, so we're gonna do this photo shoot thing. I told y'all I was thinking about jumping off into the automotive space with this photography thing. Y'all know I do it with people. So I was like, yo, Jays, let's shoot your truck. I mean, my truck is alright, but I see my truck every day. I don't see the beauty in my truck that he see in his. Like, I just be driving my shit. I love this shit. This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. Like, lower stands. Like, if it was a Chevy, like, maybe if that one mine was a Chevy, like, I might play with it a little bit, but I really just, it's really just transportation. You know what I'm saying? For the most part. Maybe down the line we do a little something different, but knowing me, I go bigger wheels and fill up the gaps and call it a day. But I still want to do truck shit. You know what I'm saying? So, But maybe with the C10, instead of lowering it, I might end up putting a thicker wall tire on the 22s. I just don't know how much it's gonna cost, because those them back wheels is like $295, almost fucking 300 in the back. So they wide as shit. So I don't know how much a 300, or how, I don't know how tall they make them 300s.
This, I had to, like, it's a 5.7, so I had to drop it, and then I had to get a 40 or 45 series sidewall in order to like clear it without any rubbing.
Yeah. Cause I think what's on in there is like a 25 or a 30. I mean, it's low as shit, but that's why it looks the way it does. Like, I got a whole lot of fucking room. So maybe be a combination of both. You know me, I'll be trying to figure out like the best thing. If I just go bigger tires, and I don't have to worry about dropping it, or if I just drop it, I don't have to worry about tires. Just trying to find you know, the most budget friendly way and to get out of it. But you know, that's what happens when you got fucking 3 cars to build. So it be like that. So we're gonna play a little montage, play some music, and we're finna get this photo shoot popping, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, y'all make sure y'all follow my man Jay's Garage, Cars and J, CTXJ, aka 3 Name Killer. You know what I'm talking about? And boom, let's get into it.